So a car that needs zero introduction whatsoever, it's Range Rover SVR. It's been a while since we've had one of these, to be honest, and being brutally honest again, the reason it is we weren't offered the right ones, but this one, we jumped at the opportunity. It's a car we've sold before, we brought it back in. When you're looking for a car, specifically an SVR, you want one with low mileage. This one has just early 30s. It's a 71 plate. It's got full service history. It's in the right colour, Santorini black. It's got the right options as well, exposed carbon bonnet, upgraded 22, sliding roof. It's even got a fridge under the armrest. So it just ticks all the boxes. The performance I can talk about, but if you know anything about them, you know how quick these are. 5 litre, 575 brake horsepower, 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds. So these things are quick. They look the part and they're practical as well. So if you're trying to find a car that does it all, the SVR certainly does that. But you just need to get one that's been looked after, and this one definitely has. The contrast in the carbon, hopefully the camera picks it up. Gloss black badging, you've got those lovely swooping LEDs. When you come round to the side, if you didn't see it on the other side, you'll notice the upgraded 22, so multi-spokes. Finished more on a satin than a gloss really, but it works well with that metallic Santorini black. A little bit on the Santorini black, it's definitely the most popular colour and the best selling, so as far as resale's concerned, you're not going to offend anyone with that black, but it does suit the car well, that stealthy, aggressive look. Fixed side steps. Good thing with the SVR, I mean, a lot of people who are buying these are buying them because of what they can do physically on the road, 4-wheel drive, 575 brake, but they are a practical car, plenty of space in the back. You've obviously got 4-zone climate control, you've got that nice sliding panoramic roof, which is an option. You've got the visor on there as well, just in case you do have smaller kids in the back. Nice design on the interior with the materials. Huge exhaust, really fell there, huge exhaust, big boot space. So again, just staying with the practicality side, but it's just the way they sit as well. When you see how low these are compared to let's call it a regular sport, they just do sit a lot lower. You've got adaptive air suspension as well, so depending on what mode you've got it in will depend on how the engine, the exhaust sounds, how it sits. But for me, black is definitely the colour for a lot of our customers. I mean, I could definitely call ourselves experts in selling these cars. We've sold that many. When you come to the front, you've got Meridian sound system. Obviously, you've got that dual tablet display, but then you've also got the interactive display on the dash as well, so we'll touch on what that has in it. But just a good-looking car, and they're also at a good price now. I mean, you'll have noticed recently, if you've been looking at them, that they have come down in price, definitely settled to a point where, I'm not going to say they're cheap, because I think that's not the right phrase to use, but they are a good value. Nice contrasting Alcantara headlining. Might as well open the roof so you can see what difference that makes. So you've got full sliding roof. Quite like that bit of a contrast compared to just the full car being black, just lightens it up a little bit. Steering wheel, you've got all sorts at your fingertips. Heated steering wheel, lane keep assist, adaptive cruise, speed limiter, dual tablet display as well, so depending on what you've got on, I mean, don't know if the microphone will pick up the noise, but they sound unbelievable, these. One option I mentioned on the outside, which is a good one, especially with summer here, refrigeration box, so whatever you want to put in there, water if you come from the gym, whatever it might be. Pop it in reverse. Camera systems, front and rear sensors, you'll hear them, audio, visual. You've also got everything else you can control from down here, heated seats, climate control. Just a very, very good looking car. I mean, you've got plenty of space, you've got 2 different glove boxes as well, not to show them too much, but it's just been very well looked after, very well spec'd from new. Again, car we sold once before, I've been brutally honest, considerably more than this, so it's at a good price. So if you have been looking for an SVR, and specifically one off us, we haven't had one for a while, but this one is physically available. It's in great condition, great price, plenty of power, good style as well. So if you are interested, you won't be the only person who's interested in this one. So you can give me a call. My name is Paddy, my number's below. Any questions, I'll get them answered for you.